Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect a trading skill very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the assets. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. We are on 5-minute time frame. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend. You can see the smooth running till it got to this region. Right from there, it pulled back a bit, and it will be trying out the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it will sell more. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. So guys, this is boom 500. Right from here, this started an uptrend, got to this region, pull back, and of course it will be trying out the resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, then we should expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out above this, then of course it will keep on buying. But for now, this is still buying. If it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, it will go back into a sell trend. Okay, so this is very important. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Right from the support zone, it started buying, and of course broke out from this resistance zone, and of course it kept on buying and buying and buying. Okay, so and it is still buying. If it breaks out from the next resistance zone, then it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back into a downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It went on uptrend, but after getting to this resistance zone, it was unable to go above it, so it started a downtrend right from there. So this is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It started an uptrend from here. You can see it going up and up, and of course it has gotten to this resistance zone. It's unable to break out above this, so this is actually selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. And for those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and apply them on your demo account first before you start using them on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then,